Okay, hello, how are you?
Fine, thanks, sir. And you?
Fine, thanks. What can I call you, or maybe what's your good name?
My full name is Imad Ali. You can call me Imad.
Okay, Imad, may I see your ID card?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. So today we're taking your IELTS mock test.
Sure, sir.
Okay, it will be about speaking. In the first section, I'll ask you a few questions and you'll have to answer me.
Sure.
Right? Okay, so I'm asking you a question about your residence. Where do you live?
I live in Pakistan, and in Pakistan I live in KPK. It's
in KPK?
Yes.
And you grew up in KPK?
I grew up in KPK, yes.
How do you like it?
I like it very much because, it's a kind of place which is a little bit urban. And now I want to go to a city kind of place. So city will be right for me because there are a lot of opportunities for me for education, for jobs. So I want to move to a city.
So you mean to say that for living, your place is very good, but you want to discover and explore more and more opportunities, therefore you want to move to city?
Yes, sure. For this reason, yeah, I want to go to city.
Aren't there any facilities in your village?
There are some facilities, but there aren't many facilities. Like there are the facilities of doing a private job, like working in a small company, opening a shop, and there aren't good opportunities for going to university or pursuing your higher education. So for these reasons, I want to pursue my studies in cities.
Okay, what about the education ratio in your village or in your city? You said you grew up in Peshawar or KPK, so isn't there enough education ratio or literacy ratio?
The literacy ratio is a little bit poor there. Okay. Because people go to schools, colleges, but they drop out in the middle. So that's the reason that the education system isn't good.
Okay, so you want to go to some city and you want to pursue or you want to continue your studies there?
Yes.
So you tell me about your favorite subject. Which is your favorite subject now?
My favorite subject is English because when I was in 10th class, I had deeply connected with English. So nowadays I'm studying English as a major subject in university. It's my BS in progress, and this year it might be completed. So next year, inshallah, I'm planning to go to some other countries like England.
What do you think? Is it easy to learn English or difficult to learn English?
It is very easy. For me, it is easy to learn English because, in the beginning you will face a little bit difficulties, but when you get used to English, when you practice and persevere with consistent effort, you can learn English very easily. Let me tell you some problems of English as well. English is a non-phonetic language, so you may face problems. You can predict the pronunciation of a word by its spelling. So it is a little bit problem. You'll have to check the pronunciation. You'll have to listen to native speakers. Besides this, English is an easy language to learn. Okay,
thank you, Imad. Now in the second part or in the second section, that's your cue card, okay? On your cue card, you have to talk about a topic for 2 minutes.
Okay,
right?
Sure.
So your topic is my favorite food or my favorite dish.
Okay. Can I take it?
If you want, you can.
Okay. Let me look at it.
All right.
Sure. My favorite dish is biryani. It's a local dish and I love it because when my mom cooks it, it is very yummy and delicious. So usually we eat biryani at our home because it is homemade and is not adulterated. So I like the biryani of my mom.
Okay, so you mean to say that you don't like the junk food or the food that is normally eaten in cities, so you like your local dish?
Yes, I like my local dish. It is prepared by my mom, yes.
Okay, so what will you do in city? For example, you want to move to a city, so in city you know that there is normally junk food, fast food, only these kinds of foods are there, so won't you be missing your village?
I'll be missing my village, especially my mom's dish.
That's right. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
And hope you do well.
Thank you.